So hello mga ka-MX, muling nagbabalik ang accessoride series natin. Kamakailan i-share ko sa inyo yung pag-upgrade natin ng ating throttle, particularly yung pagpapalit ng stock throttle sa Domino Quick Throttle. Ngayon papalitan ko lang siya ng yung parang gearing niya. Palitan ko siya ng mas aggressive from green to red na gearing nitong quick throttle na nabili ko. So check nyo na lang yun sa description ng video na to, itong nabili kong type of throttle. So wag na natin patagalin pa, and let's test this.
THOPWAYS would like to thank and shout out to Josie Malacapo, Titan 2022, Walang Para 2103, Roland Guevara, Adrian Adan, Kevin Heather Delos Reyes. Thank you very much for your love and support, Connex.
So what's inside the box nitong Domino Quick Throttle natin is, as expected, yung throttle tube at saka itong tatlong rings, 3 speed rings ang tawag dito, kulay green, white at saka red. So bale yung red ring is nakakapit na dito sa throttle. Double check nyo rin kung ga-unbox kayo ng quick throttle. Make sure na yung isang ring ay nakasalpak dito sa throttle na.
The 3 interchangeable standard pulleys ensure the best feeling for the rider in all conditions of use. Green pulley, or green speed ring, is for a soft opening, suitable for example on wet track. White pulley or white speed ring. This ring is for a greater speed of the control, suitable for aggressive driving. Red pulley or red speed ring guarantees a progressive opening for a sporty driving.
So ito yung ikakabit ko. Ipapalit natin dito sa throttle ng MXI natin.
quick throttle, also known as a quick turn throttle, can have several pros and cons for motorcycles. 1. Improved responsiveness. A quick throttle can provide quicker response to throttle input, which can enhance the bike's performance, especially in racing or sport riding. 2. Enhanced control. Some riders find that a quick throttle allows for finer control over the bike's acceleration, especially in tight or technical riding situations. 3. Personal preference. Many riders simply prefer the feel of a quick throttle and find it more enjoyable to use. For that helps you reach greater RPMs sooner. Cons. 1. Increased sensitivity. The heightened responsiveness of a quick throttle can make it easier to unintentionally apply too much throttle, potentially leading to loss of traction or control. 2. Adjusting to new feel. Riders accustomed to standard throttles may need time to adapt to the different feel and response of a quick throttle. 3. Potential for fatigue. Constantly modulating a sensitive throttle can lead to increased hand fatigue, especially on longer rides.
That's our episode for today, our accessoride series. Hope you find this vlog useful, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that like button. At kung bago ka lang sa channel na ito, baka pwedeng consider nyo mag-subscribe para updated kayo sa upcoming videos, vlogs, and relevant video na gaya nito, mga accessories para sa mga ating mga motor. Once again, maraming salamat sa suporta, sa mga pag-subscribe, mga ka-MX. And this is THOPWAYS saying, ride safe, stay safe, at helmet on kayo lagi while riding, and don't forget to pray before hitting the road. God bless mga MX. See you on the next vlog. To God be the glory.